Our goal here at Reynolds & Sons Disposal Service is to provide the highest quality waste collection, transportation, processing, disposal, and related services to both public and private customers. We will carry out our mission efficiently, safely, and in an environmentally responsible manner. We are committed to continually improving customer satisfaction by providing safe, cost-effective, efficient, and environmentally sound waste services. We have been serving customers since 1962, and we look forward to serving you too. So call today. Reynolds & Sons Disposal Service, 207-773-5862.